Well, now we're doing question 1.1, and question 1.1.1 says, on the right here, question 1.1.1 says x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0, right? This is a case of a trinomial or quadratic equation, so we can solve this by factorization or by by using the quadratic formula or by completing this code. Okay, now let's first do this problem by factorization. Okay, so by factorization, we do have like x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is what to do. First, we're going to look at the leading coefficient, meaning the coefficient of x squared. It is just 1. Okay, because it is 1, what we can do, we will just put up, we can put x in the bracket like this, okay, equal to 0. Then we will going to consider the constant term, okay, the negative 6, that's the constant term. Then we will list all the factors of 6, okay? The factors of 6 are like 1 and 6, okay? 2 and 3. Now, in the list of the factors of 6, we need to look at which couple will give us the sum equal to the coefficient of the middle, negative 5, okay? So now, let's see. I'll start with the last one. If I look at 2 and 3, can I get negative 5? Yes, it's possible to get negative 5 over here. If I do like negative 2 minus 3, it gives me negative 5 exactly. But now let's double check. Will negative 2 times negative 3 makes negative 6? No, 2 negative makes a positive. Negative 2 times negative 3 will not make negative 6, but it makes positive 6. So it's not the right couple to use. Okay, but when I use 1 and 6, if I need to get negative 6, it must be a positive 1 and a negative 6 there. Then in the bracket, I can simply place in positive 1 and negative 6. Now, applying the property of multiplication, that says that if I have like a times b equal to 0, this implies that a equal to 0 or b equal to 0, then we will set x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0, and this means that x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to 6. So these are the solutions. Okay. Now, we can also solve this by using the quadratic formula. Using quadratic formula, let's just say quadratic formula. Okay, my quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Well, the quadratic formula is given by x equal to square root of, no, it's x is equal to negative b. So I'm going to write here x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, while the quadratic equation itself is will be ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, we are required to identify the values of a, b, c. So the value of the coefficient a, from here we can see a is there, a is 1. Over here, a is just 1, and then b is negative 5, and then c would be negative 6. We need to be careful here. When we're taking the number, especially, we need to consider the sign before, okay? If it's a positive number, we don't need to write plus 1, but if it's a negative number, we must write minus. So I said that because usually people forget to say the coefficient b will be equal to, people say 5, but actually it's 5, negative 5, and then c here is negative 6, okay? So those are the values we are going to substitute. Let me move now go this way, and then draw a line. Okay, these are the values I want to substitute over here. X is equal to minus right here negative b plus minus square root of, okay, I think because of space, I'm gonna write it down. It's like x is equal to x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So in the square root like this, over 2a. Then we're going to substitute these values of, so it's minus b, okay? B is equal to -5, right? -5 there, and then b is -5, b squared minus 4, a is 1, c is -6, and then over 2a. Then the value of x will be, we're going to substitute this, we can use a calculator to put the values of okay, here I'll already put the values in the calculator, so we can see minus you see, and then if you press equal there, we have x is equal to 6, or if we use with the negative, then this will be we'll change here the sign. For there, we'll change the sign, we'll put minus there, and then press equal, and this is equal to -1. So these, you can notice that these are the values of the same value we got there for x. So we got the same values. We got x is equal to -1, x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6, or x is equal to -1. It can also be solved by using by computing the square root. I prefer to do that in the next video. Thank you.